What are you saying?
Nice one, Diggs.
Diggs! Hold still! We'll call Dr. Phil later, but right now I need some help!
This is just a little too adorable for my taste.
No reason we can't say.
I might be able to disconnect them and shut this thing down! Here goes nothing!
Well, I didn't blow up the ferry. I mean, that's something. Hey, wait a second. That ride looks kind of like a...
I call it.
So you can thank me for saving your life.
Hi. Hello. What's up with these guys?
Back off, Butch. This is how we do things downtown.
Oh,
That was a sweet setup. Oh, man, I wish I was back with my partner, Shane. Hey, don't knock it till you've sniffed it.
Now talk! No, not good, not good!
Fetch a stick.
Thank you.
I mean, I'm a dog. I can't believe they don't hate me.
I might be able to disconnect them and shut this thing down! If I can get up to those wires...
Mission, should you decide to accept it.
Peut-être passer aux choses sérieuses et me dire ce que je fais ici.
No, it's meows.
Oh yeah!
Diggs, stay. You can't. It doesn't do anything. It's not even good for fleas.
Ah, ce sera un jeu d'enfant, il me faut des miettes, un filet et un...
Só tem uma solução pro caso.
Você quer recrutar esse cara?
Whoa, whoa!